Hello Lake Havasu, welcome back to another Traffic Tip Tuesday. I'm Sergeant Jerry Burns bringing you today's tip. Today we're going to be discussing traffic stops and your legal requirements during those stops. When I conduct an enforcement stop on a vehicle, I introduce myself, and I advise the reason for the stop and ask you for your driver's license, registration, and insurance. That's the three things that we ask for. You're required to identify yourself during that stop, which could either by physically producing your driver's license or even a digital copy is also acceptable. If you do not have your driver's license with you, such as you forgot it in your wallet or your purse back home, you can provide your name and date of birth. That is providing your information to us. And again, that digital copy is acceptable. So take a picture, put it on your phone, have it with you at all times. You will also need to produce a current registration card. The tag on the back of the vehicle is not 100% acceptable to prove you have registration. So if you do not have that physical copy with you, that's also a violation. Make sure you have that physical copy in your vehicle. The other one in there is the insurance. Again, you have to have proof of insurance in the vehicle with you. If you do not have proof in your vehicle with you, you are subject to citation. With this though, a digital copy is acceptable. If you bring it up on your phone with your insurance app, we can definitely use that as your proof of insurance. One of the other things I'll cover is if the officer requests you to exit your vehicle, you are required to do so. Case law under Pennsylvania versus MIM requires you to do so. This also applies to passengers under Maryland v. Wilson. So the officer can do that for officer safety, bring you or your passengers out, or request that you stay in your vehicle as well. Once the citation is complete, the officer has a couple of options. He can either serve you the civil citation or he can ask you to sign it. If you do not sign the civil citation, we will just write refused on there, and then we will end our traffic stop with you. If it's a criminal citation, then you will be required to sign it. Again, it is not an admission of guilt. It is your promise to appear in court instead of going to jail. One of the common questions we get is, do we have to show our radar? And under the law, we do not have to show you our radar in the state of Arizona. The place to do that, or the arena to do that, is in court, where you can challenge the calibration or the accuracy of the radar. But again, on scene, we do not have to show you the radar. Over the holiday weekend, we had numerous traffic stops. Some people were obviously upset over our traffic enforcement, but I can tell you, after working 26 years in this job, seeing a number of fatal collisions, serious injury collisions, that our purpose out there is to change the behavior of a lot of drivers. Please know that it is nothing personal when we issue a citation or make arrests, because we know that by doing so makes our roads a safer place to be. Please drive courteously and obey the rules of the road. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next traffic tip.